So this is the first lesson for the unit 5, the square root introductions. How many of you have heard about square root? I think all of you, almost all of you, right? Square root. What is square root then? Another name for the square root is radical. What is square root? Huh? Oh yeah, that's your same number. But that's the process. But what is square root? Yes, yes, yes. So you all know what the process of doing the square root. But the square root, I mean, the meaning of square root is you undo the square. Yeah, just that's the meaning. And then yeah, we're gonna go to the process how to do it. But yeah, actually the meaning is you undo the square of a number. Okay, for example, the square root of 4. 49. What's special about this? Yeah, order, right. What's special about it? 2. Square root 2. But about the same number. Yeah, that's the meaning. What is the name? Your name? This number has special name. This number has a special name. What is the name? So you all get it correct. Yeah, you want one for Kayla, Sabrina as well. This is a. Okay, sure. Yeah, Melanie. Yeah. But there's a name for this. Who knows what's the name for this number? There's a name for this number. Okay. Hang on here. Chill. Let me finish. Forget this too. Okay. Okay. What did you say? A, right? What did you say in the beginning? A. Yeah, A. Okay, so just get A. A. E. E. Oh. E. I. Oh. One at a time. One at a time. What next? I. Oh, is it perfect square? Yes, perfect. You should remember. Perfect square. Black. Yes, 1.25. Perfect square is when you're taking the square root, you're gonna have a beautiful number. Right? Like we say, I like to say beautiful. That's whole number. There's no decimal place. There's no fraction. For example, one number square become 1. 1. So 1 also perfect square. Okay. 1 again. 1 is also perfect square. 2 square is 4. 3 square. 4 square. 5 square. 6 square. At least I think I highly recommend for you to remember at least this 12. Like this is 11 square, this is 12 square. Okay, at least because it's gonna help you to do the square root very easily. Okay, so you know this number of a square, we're taking the square, you're gonna have a whole number. What if? Okay, let's do this for the sample. What if you have square root of 40? What is the square root of 40? Then how are we gonna do this? Okay. So okay, we're gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna learn how to do this. Yes. Yeah, Ruby, remember. Okay. What is the name of method? Tree method. Who said that? Only one of you. You want to decide? Okay, 1 point for Carlos. Tree method, because it's gonna be look like a tree. Okay. How did you get this? Good. You get the answer. But I'm gonna show you how to do this. Let me do the sample first. I think a lot of you know how to do this already. So here, okay, here. If you see this number, is it the perfect square number? No. Then you're gonna break it down by using the tree method.
Oh.
That's mean, okay, Melanie, what that means we're gonna do what? 4 and 10. You're gonna find two number multiply to 40. Okay? And as Melanie said, it's gonna be 4 and 10. Okay. Very good. Okay. Good. One more for Melanie. Let me continue. Okay? After you break it down, do this. Cross it out. Okay. There's a meaning behind this. There's a benefit behind this. Why you need to break it down. So, I think you remember this. Alan, do you remember this? Yeah. Okay, good. Because this is a square root. There's invisible 2 right here, if you will. Yeah. Because later on we're gonna learn about cube root as well, and 4 root and 5 root and so on. Those they're gonna have a number on the front. But square root they don't have a number. So if you don't see any number on the front, there's an invisible 2. Just remember that. Okay. Invisible 2. Okay. So that's mean you're gonna look for 2 same number. If you see the cube root, that means you're looking for the 3 same number and so on. We just work on the square root for today. So you look for 2 same number. What are 2 same number you see here? 2. Okay, so they're gonna go out of the square root. So go out of square root. Okay, 2 same number go out of square root. Whatever you have left, whatever they don't have the same number, they don't have another friend, they're gonna stay inside the square root. Very good. They're gonna stay inside the square root. What number stay inside? We have 2 and 5. Okay, so this is gonna stay inside. So stay inside. Okay, so 2 and 5. What are you gonna do with 2 and 5? 2 plus 5 or 2 subtract 5? 2 multiply or 2 multiply by 5 or 2 divided by 5? Which one? 2 multiply. Okay, 2 multiply. Yes. Because that's why you got 10. Yes. So or you can just keep it 10. But so 2 and 5 I can subtract. That means you multiply. So you know that multiply. Okay. So the answer is 2 square root of 10. Yeah. I'm going to really 8 and 5. Oh, good. You're gonna get the same thing. 1.4 11. So if you break down to A and 5, I have a good question. If you break down to A and 5, what happened next? 2 and 4, then 2 and 2. They're gonna give you the same answer. Yeah. You have 2 number of 2, and then you have left 2 and 5. So no matter what number you break it down, you still get the same answer. So then there will be some time one combination better than the other combination. I will show you. That's a good question. Very good question. Are we good? That's how you do the 3 measure. That's it for today. Melanie. All right. 2. About this. It's an easy lesson for unit 5. Easy start. All right, Luis. 9 and 5, right? 9 and 5. 3 and 3. Okay. So remember when you break it, just go to the first time. What are 2 same number you have here? 3, right? Okay, one more for Luis first. 3 here, so 3 gonna stay outside. Okay. And then what do we have stay inside? 5. So 5 gonna stay inside. Okay, 5 gonna stay inside. Are we correct? Is it correct? Why is not correct? It's 2 right here. Don't forget our friend. Okay, you need to copy it. Okay, copy it. Oh, if you copy like this, then what is the operation between them? Are we adding or subtract them or you multiply? Multiply. Okay. Remember outside multiply together, inside multiply together. So 2 times 3. The answer is going to be 6. Square root of 5. You got this. Yeah. Easy. You got a homework right now? Oh, you think that's it? It's going to be more. We're going to have 4 parts. But not today. We're not going to learn all that today. Yes, yes. This is easy. This is just one more easy. It's easy. Yes. All right, let's hear what Ruby said. 10 for this part, and then another 2 for part 2. That's it. Part 2 we're doing today. Part 3 and part 4 we're going to do tomorrow. But only homework, only from 1 to 8. Okay. Negative square root of 51. Before we're doing anything more about this, good, I'm going to ask you. Before we're doing anything on this, I'm going to ask you, is this and this the same? Who say they are the same? Okay, so you all say they are different. Say the same. Okay, why they are same? Good. It's good to be like different from the crowd. It's good. What do you think? Why? Yeah. Why they are same? Yeah, they both have negative sign. Yes. Oh, that's right. They both have negative sign. But they are the same or not? No. In mathematically, they're not the same. Okay. Let's give around 1 point to be stand out. Yeah. Don't throw around. Okay. Why they are different? If you tell me the difference, you just tell me exactly like what happened. Yes, Sabrina. Give me some. Negative. Okay, yeah, the negative inside. So one negative inside is root and one outside. Basically, that's it, right? Yeah, just you will separate 1 point. So take this note. We Alan and Ruby, we can or cannot have the negative inside. That's where can we? For now, can we? No, never. Until we learn about the I. Until we learn about the I. Yeah. Complex number. Yeah. We will not know. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about I. Imaginary number. Yeah, you do remember. Yeah, bravo. You very good. So we cannot. Okay, we can't have the negative inside square root for now. At least for now. Maybe you can run for now. Because later on, when we learn about an imaginary number, complex number, you're gonna take care of this. Mathematicians they always try to find a solution to something like this. Okay. Okay. So they are different. Okay. Then is it okay to have a negative outside of square root? Yeah. Yes. It's okay. Okay. Want to do this? 20. 17 times 3. Yes. How do you know? So, did I tell you how to know if a number can divide by 3? I did, right? That's why Kelly said, how do you do it? Yes. You take the sum of our digit. If that number can divide by 3, then this number can divide by 3. That's the trick. So 5 plus 1. Any calculator for this? No. 5 plus 1 is 6. Can 6 divided by 3? So this number can divide by 3. And then as Irma. And Irma said, you divide by 3, you have 17 and 3. Okay? Can we do anything else? Can you press 17? Don't tell me 17 and 1. Yeah, 1 doesn't do anything. Okay. 17 and 3. Okay. Is there any two number right here? No. So can we do anything with this number? No. So this is the final answer. We cannot do it. Sometimes. Yeah. Sometimes. Sometimes it can happen. Huh? You know this? They don't need to do anything? Yeah. I will just give you a lot of things like this as a test. Okay, mister. I'll just give to you and then collect at the center. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is a test. Okay, I collect. Any question? 1 point for Alma. Any question for this? All right. Oh yeah, one more. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So 72. Yeah, we got Fernando. Go ahead. 8 and 9, very good. 4 and 2. 3 and 3, very good. Yes, go all the way to the end, okay? And then when you're done, just cross this out. So you know which one is still left over, like this. See, I crossed the 9 out because so now I know 5 is the left over. If I don't cross out, I think 9 is the left over as well. But not. We already broke down the 9. So when you break it down, make sure you cross it. Okay? Cross this out. How many same number you see here? Whatever we can continue. 2, right? 2 set number 2. What else? That's it? 2. Right. 3 also 2 set number 3. So 2 is gonna go out. 3 also go out. What do we have left inside? Do we have anything left inside? Yeah, we have the 2, right? 2 left is inside. It's still inside. So 2 and 3 is that 5? 6. You multiply them. Remember, you're not adding them. Okay. So 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 square root of 2. That's the answer. Fernando. Yes. Yes. Very good question. Very good question. Just give Mary 1 point. So for now, just don't need to worry about the sign. Just work on the number first. And let's say you can have some number out to copy it. Yeah, it's very negative. Okay. That doesn't matter. Matter is this. Let's say, okay, that's a very good question. Let's say I have square root of 4, negative. What is that? What is the answer? Easy. Negative 2, right? Right? What is square root of negative 4? That's why it's not, we cannot do this because negative 4 is what? Negative 2 and 2. Are they the same? No, that's why we cannot do it for now. Yeah. So that's I think for now I say okay. 2, 2. Not 2 times 2. But for now we don't do it yet until we learn about a complex number. Imaginary number. Yes. Always the negative. Very good. One more again too. I love it. Right. Because 2 is already outside. Right. No, invisible 2, I'm talking about the square root. It's not about a 2 invisible. Right. Yeah, you can say that too. So if there are visible 2 on the front like this, then you multiply them with the whatever number you have outside. Yeah. One more column. So outside multiply together. Okay? Outside multiply together. Add this one with the invisible 2 because the 2, if the 2 in here is right on the top of the variable. Okay. But the 2 is on the front, the big one to the front. So you multiply outside with 2. Yeah. Are we good? Okay. Can I erase this? Yeah. Okay. So is the fifth only for senior or something? Or junior? Like we have an absent, like there I go to future. Also, do we have anyone missing a test last time? Oh, you did? Did you do it? But you did it. You did it. Only I think only young Noy done. So no one, right? Because tomorrow who makeup? You gonna do makeup? You gonna do it tomorrow. What you can say? Okay, continue. Time we done? 103. Okay. Who wants to walk with me for this one? Never have point. Jacob, Jocelyn, whatever you get points. Chris, Arturo, David, Donovan. Did you get points yet? Andrea, Cody, who didn't get points? Okay, Chris. Who didn't get points today? Chris, go ahead. Yeah, 12 and 10. Okay. What else? 5. 5 and. Oh, you mean here? Yeah, 5 and 2. What about this? 6 and 2. 3 and 2. 6. That is it, right? Okay, what are two same numbers you have here? 2. Okay, so 2 gonna go out. Okay. And then I also have the negative 3 on the front. This fixed there. Copy it. Okay. And then what stay inside? What do we have inside? 2, 5, and 3. Yes, 2, 5, and 3. Okay, so you multiply them together. Okay. One more quiz. So negative 6, square root of 3 times 5 is, or 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30. So this is the answer. Easy? Easy. Okay, raise your hand like this. But yes or no? Raise it. Anyone? Oh, no one raise your hand? Oh, really? Okay, Melanie, go ahead. Square root of 5 plus square root of 3. Well, what the way you say it is not correct. All right, David.
Just 15.
How do you have 15?
Oh, because square root of 25 is 5 times square root of 5.
It's 5 and 3, not square root of 5. Yeah, I know. But you say square root of 5. So 3 and 5 is 15. Yeah? Sometimes just need to take square root of each one. You don't need to multiply them. Okay? One more, but I read one point. Square root, no. Square root of 25 is not square root of 5. You say square root of 5. That's not really for square root of 25 is 5. That's not square root of 5. You're gonna say that. You're not gonna show you this stuff. Just forgot it. All right. Like this. We try. Here's a point. Jacob. Yeah, okay. 6 and 3. Can you break down to 6? Yeah, it's easy. 6 is 2 and 3. Can you break down to 3? No, right? So that's it, right? Do you see any two same number? 3 and 3. Yes, you can, right? 3 and 3 right here, right? So you can do this one. So that's the one gonna stay outside. So 3 outside. Do we have anything left inside? 2. This number, it doesn't have any friend. It's only by itself. So this is gonna stay inside the square root. So square root of 2. Yeah. 1.4, Jacob. You're gonna do next and then you get it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Question? Yes. And negative 3 like this? Sir? Yes. Because this square root is only for the 6 and square root for the 3. So these are two different. Yes, 3 together. Because this negative is not about 3. It's negative about a whole square root. Yeah, the 3 is still positive. So 3 and 3. Yeah. Very good. This is very 1 point. So if I have the negative right here, what is the answer then? Yes, negative 3 square root 2. Good, you got this. Already 8, okay, so that's it. Oasis. Oh. Oh. Yes. Okay, number 8. Who wants to do number 8? All right, tell us your hand. 6 and 7. Yes, 3 and 2. Very good. 5 and 7. Okay, that's it, right? Yeah. So what are two numbers you see here? 7, right? What else? That's it? Right? That's it. 3 and 2 and 5 doesn't have any friend. So 7 gonna go outside. 7. What do you have inside? 3, 2, and 5. What are you doing with them? You're gonna multiply them or plus them? Multiply, okay? So 7, 30. 1 point for Carlos. Easy, right? Easy. Yeah. Why do this? Yeah, but anyway. 2 and 64. Very good. 2 and 64. 8, 8. Good. Yeah, exactly. That's the point. Should I go more like 8 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 2? You only see the two same number right here? 8 and 8. You can stop right here. That's the purpose. Study the sample. And we already got exactly what I want. Good. 8 and 8. Okay. So they're gonna go out, right? 8 and 8. You stop right there. Don't go further. Like, yeah, I said, oh, break all the way to the end. Yes, but you see already, because I will go with you by two same number. If you already saw two same number, you can stop right there. Okay, 8 and 8. Okay, so they're gonna go out. So I have our own friend negative 2. Negative 2 times 8. Okay. And then what do I have left inside? What do I write next? Let's go one by one. Don't multiply yet. Just one by one. I'm showing you. So yeah, this one stay inside, right? This is still inside, right? I still have this inside. So this is still inside the square root 2. I haven't touched the other one yet. Just write down. Okay. Now remember, outside multiply together, inside multiply together. What do I have outside? -2 times 8 times 3, right? All the outside number, -2, 8, and 3, they're going to come together. Okay, that is, what is that? -48. Okay, square root of 2, square root of 2. Square root of 4, what is square root of 4? 2. So that's 48 and 2 is negative. Negative 96. Yeah. What's it happen? Okay, what is square root of 4? 2, right? What is negative 48 times 2? Yeah. Did you see that? Look at this crazy number. It actually equal to negative 96. Yeah. So sometimes they can ask the question, they can ask you, oh, simplify this. Okay. Oh, forgot the direction for the whole example is simplify depression. Simplify depression. I'm not to write this direction. Okay, simplify this depression. That means you're going to simplify rid of the square root as much as possible to get the number. Okay. So outside multiply all outside together, multiply all the inside together. Last sample for this part. What's this? You go first. What I do is for this one. For this one. Yeah. You can do 11 and 2 here. You can multiply the outside together first as well. Right? Like this one. You can multiply them first. Negative 22 times 2 is? Yeah. Just do the outside first. Like this one, I can also do negative times 3 first. Like just get them as clean as much as possible. Negative 2 times 2 is 44, so you have the root of 2. Now what's next? Let's practice. That's this, right? Do you have any same number? Maybe you can write that first. Do you see any two same number? Yes. Right. Ready to see it? 2. 2 right here and 2 right here. This number is still inside, and then you have the 2 right here. So these 2, they're gonna go out. Okay? So they're gonna go out. What do we have left inside? 11. 11 is gonna stay inside. Square root of 11 right here. Okay? We take care of everything, right? This one we combine them, so you have this. What is negative 44 times 2? Negative 88 square root of 11. Just okay. I said it last, but this is very simple. It just come up in my mind. What is square root of 5 times square root of 5? What is square root of 25? No, what is square root of 25? 5. So do I need to multiply them? No, you don't need to multiply them. To remember, if the square root then multiply to itself like this, you just get the number out because there's two same number right here, right? 5 and 5. It's just the answer is 5. Yeah. So 5 and 5 two same number right here. They go out directly. Don't multiply them. They don't multiply them. Because what if I give you square root of 144? Are you going to multiply 144 with 144? No. What is the answer here? 144. Yeah, you do that. Yeah? Good? Okay, good. So that's the part 1. This. Yeah, I'm over this. Okay, part two. Only 3 or 4 simple, very, very fast. I do them. X. Okay. Who agree this is correct? Raise your hand if you agree this. Good. Do you agree square root of x squared is equal to x? Who agree? Raise your hand. So who didn't raise your hand? So you need disagree. So what is if you did disagree, then what is this? How to correct it? If you disagree, how to correct it? But you all agree. Okay, good. Let's do this. Okay, let's do a little bit surgery here. All right, David. Let's when you okay. Let's do a little bit surgery here. Okay, if you say this is correct, let's do this. I give you this, okay? Yeah? I ask you to find x. So yes, so you're gonna take the square root. We're gonna learn it later, but let's just do a little bit surgery. I want you to really understand why it is correct or not. Okay? Square and square root, they're gonna be cancel out. It's gone. So x. What is square root of 25? 5. Okay, I found this. Yeah? If I want to check if it's okay, the problem initially is this. Okay? If I want to check if this is the correct answer, what do I want to do? I'm gonna plug it in, right? You're gonna plug it in to see if it's correct. Two statements. I replace x by 5. 5 squared is 25. Let's check 5 squared is 25. Okay, so I have 25 equals 25. Is it true?
Yeah.
Yes, so this is solution. It's good.
Yeah.
Then why waste my time doing this?
Just be sure.
Just to be sure. Okay, good. But oh yeah, I like this solution. I love math. I know it. Okay, x equal to 5. Oh, if you have f to the cube, then you need to take the cube root. We're gonna go there, but not for now. Is there anything you think we're missing? Okay, we get it there. Good job, Louis. Look at this. All right, I want to find some number. I want to find a number that is square become 25. What about negative 5? What is negative 5 squared? Is that negative 25 or 25? You fix it. Good. Remember your parenthesis? It is positive 25. Oh, so negative 5 is also a solution. Is it? Right? If you plug in x equal to negative 5, if you plug it in here, negative 5 squared 25, and then this is positive 25 equal to 25. This is also true. So negative 5 is also a solution. But why we didn't found right here? We're missing one solution right here. So how do we fix this? Plus minus, very good. But to fix this, you don't write plus minus. How do you fix this first? What is square root x squared equal to? Yeah, plus and minus. That's what we're saying. But how do we put on the x? Not plus and minus. What is accurately we write this? Not plus minus. Let's see.
9.
Absolute value. Did you say 9 or say line? How you get the 9 from here? Oh, like this 9? Like 9? 9? Absolute value. Remember this? Remember square root of x squared is absolute value. Yeah, absolute value. If you don't have the absolute value, what happened? You just did. Can someone to repeat it? If we forgot the absolute value, what happened? We're gonna why wrong? We're gonna missing one solution. Yeah, we're gonna neglect one solution. No, it's based on the power of the x. No, this is not power of the x. It's very. Say again. I didn't quite catch it. Say again. Right. Yeah. You look at this one, not the square root, but you look at this one, right? Yeah, that's the highest power of x showing you how many solutions. Exactly. Yes. Got it. Yeah. So for this part, only very fast. Let me see. What is it, Coach? You cannot read this. Let me write. GCD. Where GCD came from? Out of nowhere. 5x. Yeah. Missing. So one berulang Papa Malay. Pi. Pi what? Absolute value of x. Okay. Why not the whole? Yep. Only when you're solving it, but for the sake of the practice, yeah, only when you're solving it, like first if you read it. Yes, you can have you do that like this. When you practice, you're gonna have this. But for now, just you can look at this. Okay. You can also actually, you know what? You have to answer this. It's not going to be wrong. For now, only when we solve it. Okay. So you can write this or you can write this. Okay. Then they're going to be effective. Only when we solve it. But asking you to do by the x right here. You just take the square root of this. Then you need to get absolute value. But later we don't learn this later. Then we're gonna x equal to. That's why I didn't say plus and minus x right here. Your plus and minus is going to be on a number, not on the x. Yeah. That's why you say when the plus minus x is actually not. And that's we're gonna learn this, so don't worry about this. But if you answer this, that's going to be fine. It's still correct. Huh? That's the home. Only one question like this. I want you to know about this first. Yeah. Yeah, x and y. Yeah. So if you have y multiple variable, it's the same thing. You can do that too. Yeah, let's do this. Two question one. Why don't you try this? Okay, we'll want to do this. Let's finish early so we can done. Good. All right, Melanie. All right. You want to do separately, right? Number and letter separately. What is root of 40? Look at the symbol too. We did the symbol already. 2 what? 2 square root of 10, right? Now, what is square root of x cubed and what is square root of y squared? You can break it down. What is square root? Okay, what is square root of y squared? The other subject y. You can write y as well. Y squared of y. Okay. What is the square root of x cubed? So you want to break it, okay? You want to break it down. Just take one x out of it. So x cubed is x. What do you have left? X 2. X squared. X squared, right? And then square root of x squared is square root of x. But you get x for now. What do you have left? Square root of. So the answer, if you arrange it now, did you write it? Right? We're gonna have deep on this on your lesson today. Just homework? No, there's no nothing for that. That's one. How about this? So you want to get this? So 72. That's the sample 5, 6, right? What did you get? Square root of 72. What did we get? You already did it. What do you answer? What do you answer? You already did it. 6 square root of 2. Okay. Now what is square root of 6 up to 7? How do we do this? Again, if you break it down, what do you have? Take one x out. X and x to the 6, right? So x to the 6, you're taking the square root. How many pair of them? How many x squared in the x6? 3. So the answer is x cubed. Right? Do you agree? Yeah, and then x, do you have any friend for this x? No. So this x stay inside the square root, right? Then just combine it outside together, inside together. Okay, so 6 x cubed, then inside you have 2x. Okay, that's the answer. We're gonna do more about this next lesson. So this is not gonna be on the homework. Okay. I just want you to do you get some now, you get the hang of it. Get the hang of it. No homework, only one from 1 to 18. Okay, only from 1 to 18. Or the get the homework. Get the homework from